This is New Technologies number 3, my third video for the assignment about 5 new technologies. The third one is about Prezi. Um, I had never heard about this until I started taking grad classes from Fort Hays State. I have played around with it a little bit and I've used it to turn in an assignment or two in the other classes, but I'm still getting used to it. I've never used it in class. When I have a baseball player living with us this summer, and when I told him I was working on a Prezi assignment, um, he made me feel old and said that at his school in California, they have to turn in Prezi presentations all the time. And I looked at him and said, "You got to be kidding me. You just made me feel old because I'm just finding out about this." I like it because it dresses up um, instruction or dresses up presentations that you want to give. I could use this to probably make my old slideshows less boring than what they are in world history. It's just a professional way to give a good presentation. There's all sorts of things you can do with it. Um, I've created a SWOT analysis for another class, um, and it just shows you. I just want to take you through this to show you kind of the things that it does. And each one of these things you are creating it is very smooth, uh, putting things into a presentation. This is presentation mode. Um, this was a pretty simple one. I just created, or I didn't create, I just stole a template over a SWOT analysis and threw my information in there, just like I would um, a slideshow. Uh, Here's an annotated bibliography that I created for a class. It kind of was a fun way to do something that's not usually very fun. You could use this to present. You could use this for student production, um, for any topic in any class that you were teaching. I chose this one to enhance instruction for students. You can also enhance presentations for staff if you were in a professional development setting. Um, you could use it for a number of things. Here's a getting started presentation. Um, I am not good enough at this to create my own templates, so I'm a good template thief in making my information fit into things so you can see how many things you can use it for. You can use it to present, add content. I've covered it over and over again. Um, my ISTE goals would be for educational leaders, um, would be 3D to support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. And also 5A, it sets goals to remain current on emerging technologies for learning innovations in pedagogy and advancements in the learning sciences. Um, Prezi is a very good way to do those things. Thank you.